businesses, and then you come here and you shortchange yourself. I mean, go with me, anybody. Anybody there who has shortchanged yourself? Felt like I cannot do it? That is something that we need to overcome. We can do it. You can go high. We need to learn to rise high. When I came here, I was only about, school had not even started. I came here to go to school in 1998, and I was staying in a hotel because I didn't know anybody. I was in Pittsburgh, Kansas, and staying in a hotel, and it's in the winter, and I went to Walmart, and I'm like, I walked around, and I'm like, how can I be a supplier for Walmart? So I went to the lady, I asked them, referred me the manager, I went to the manager, and he told me to be a supplier for Walmart, you need to be a big company. It doesn't have, so don't be held back because Zalipa is not doing it or Pastor Jemima is not doing it. Don't be held back. If you have a good idea, please go ahead and pursue it. I talked to somebody on Wednesday night, like 1 p.m. I talked to a lady who used to be here and asked her, why do you think as our team, our group of Kenyan community are not advancing? And said, we have held ourselves because when we came to this country, you came as a Kenyan, you came as a Kenyan, that's all you knew, right? That's how we do for Kenyans, right? We didn't realize things like, oh, there's an issue if you're certain color or you have an accent. So as we have acquired them, we have used them to our negative. You know, we have used them against us, and those are things that shouldn't discourage us. Resources, she talked about federal